This video is on naming ethers. If it happens to be a simple ether, i.e. just simple alkyl chains attached to the oxygen, the trick is to name both alkyl chains and then add ether at the end. So for example, this here is diethyl ether. You try it. What is the name of this compound? You may pause now. And you are completely right, it is ethyl propyl ether. Or propyl ethyl ether, but we like to go alphabetical. If, however, it is part of a larger structure, we have to name the ether as a substituent. The way we do this is we name the alkyl group attached to the oxygen. We use that as the root and add an oxy at the end instead of an eel. So for example here, this is a methoxy group. This is an ethoxy group. And we would use that as a substituent in the naming of the larger structure. So name this structure. You may pause now. And here's the answer.